Hello everybody, Pastor Padron here, and today I am doing a unboxing review of 4th Generation's limited edition 2025 blend. This is part of their Heritage collection. The lighter that I did the review for a few days ago is also part of the Heritage collection. You can see they share the same design. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Yeah. The Heritage Collection products all feature this design here, which is based off of an 18 karat gold snuff box that Stokkebye has in his possession. And this particular blend is brought into the country by Kopp Tobaccos. And interestingly, on the back, it says it's limited edition 2026. But everywhere else that you look, it's listed as 2025. So I'm going to say it's 2025. You open it up, and inside is a little card here, which features the 3 different products in the Heritage Collection. Also features a picture of the snuff box that this is patterned after, and it says on the card inside that it is the limited edition 2025 blend. It's made of cube cut Virginia, Burley, and ready rub Virginia, and there's a light casing of vanilla, orange, and honey on the tobacco. It comes in a little pouch that fits inside the box like this, taped shut. The bag seems pretty airtight. I don't really smell anything out of here, but it does look really good. Let's light some of this stuff up and see what we find, shall we? All right, here we go. Pipe's all loaded up. Of course, I'm smoking this in my 4th generation pipe. It's a Kamoy pipe that Erik Stokkebye had a hand in getting for us here at Twin Smoke Shop. It was a pipe made just for us. There are 50 of these made. This happens to be number 1 out of 50. It is a great bent Dublin smoker. Love it. All right, well, right off the bat, you can really taste the orange. There's some nice zest and stewed fruity kind of notes from the Virginias. The Burleys are there as well, giving a little bit of earthiness and a little hint of cocoa to the blend. The vanilla is also there pleasantly in the background. These flavors are on there very light, however. It is not really overtaking the tobacco at all. The orange really is put on just the right amount so that you get that little zing of orange zest kind of a flavor, but it really plays with the Virginias in the blend. After the first few minutes, I noticed the toppings start to really fade and the tobacco becomes more forward. The Virginia becomes more pronounced, as does the Burley, and you get that kind of lightly earthy, nutty, chocolatey kind of taste from the Burleys. Have a nice kind of earthy, woody hay and stewed fruit note to them. While the orange and vanilla have faded some, the honey topping seems to be coming out more, about a third of the way down the bowl. There's a great retrohale to this. It's slightly fruity, woody, not really a lot of pepper. There's a little bit of a citrusy zing to it. It's very, very pleasant. The further down you get in the bowl, the creamier this blend gets. Well, my friends, I have to say, the 4th Generation Heritage limited edition 2025 blend is very impressive to me. When I hear about a blend having multiple casings on it, no matter how light they are, I get a little nervous. But the way this was done very, very well. Those flavors really complement the tobaccos, support the tobaccos, and bring them forward. And while you certainly notice them, they are there more to support and bring out the tobaccos, the best flavors of the tobaccos in the blend. And the further you get in the bowl, they start to burn off. Not ever all the way, but everything really smooths out, creams out, and marries into a really, really nice tobacco. This Virginia Burley blend is very good. It's very smooth, earthy, citrusy, and also naturally sweet, which is, of course, heightened by the orange and vanilla and honey toppings on the tobacco. This is a really, really nice blend. It goes great with a little coffee. But it is a beautiful, beautiful tobacco, and I highly recommend it. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a blessed day. Stay smoky, my friends.